Some 4 ships have borne the name Earl of Mornington or Earl Mornington, named for one or another Earl of Mornington, and 2 of these ships made voyages for the British East India Company. Earl of Mornington, 1766 ship, launched in India in 1766. She made 3 trips under charter to the Eek between 1799 and 1805. Earl of Mornington, of 375 tons, BM, was built by G. Forman and Company, launched in 1798, renamed Tay, and in 1802 captured by the French, who sold her to Arab merchants. Earl Mornington, cook, master, was a ship that the French frigate Forte captured in early 1799. Earl of Mornington, 1799 ship, launched in 1799 as a packet boat. She made 1 voyage for the Eek before the Royal Navy purchased her in 1804 and named her HMS Drake. She was broken up in 1808. See also Mornington, a British merchant vessel launched in 1799 at Calcutta. She made 3 voyages under charter to the Eek. On the 3rd, French privateers twice captured her, and Royal Navy vessels twice recaptured her. A fire destroyed her in 1815. Citations and references. Citations. References. Phipps, John, of the Master Attendant's Office, Calcutta, 1840, a collection of papers relative to shipbuilding in India. Also a register comprehending all the ships built in India to the present time. Scott.